Assalamu alaikum. It is very important to understand the real world scenario. Let us start. We have sold some of the faulty assets from our inventory stock. So we have to update the inventory records by deleting the entries of the sold assets. We have two tables of entries. The first one is current inventory with sold items, and the second one is only sold items. We have already performed a duplication check on both tables. Okay, so we have two tables. We have to take this table down because after the required results, we will delete the matched entries. We have done it. We will look or search for this value into this table. So the formula is equal to VLOOKUP bracket open. VLOOKUP value will be this, comma, table array will be this, because we are finding this value into this table. This array or range must be constant. To keep it constant, we have to press F4. It may be Fn plus F4 in your case. You can also manually type dollar symbol before column and before raw number, comma. Column index will be 1 because the selected array contains only one column, comma. Please do not get confused. Just do what I am doing and take a next step. Range lookup is false. Bracket close, enter. Now copy and paste the formula to all of the entries, or place the mouse arrow to the right bottom of the cell. When it turned into the black plus sign, just double click it. The required results are visible now. I have colored the results to make you understand more better. Now we have to delete the entries. Select the top heading cells, go to data, click on filter. On this column, click on the drop down button of the filter. Uncheck n/a, click OK. Now select the rows and delete row and click on clear filter. Renumber it and correct the heading text. So in the starting, we have these 24 entries and we have to delete these 5 entries. So we have achieved the results of 19 entries. Allah Hafiz.